NUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
The Faculty of Renewable Natural Resources at KNUST is implementing a 36-month Ghana Gold Value Chain case study as part of the BIOTRAILS project, funded by the EU's Horizon Europe program. This initiative, involving a consortium of 11 international research organizations located in 9 countries, aims to create knowledge and tools for driving biodiversity-focused transformative change. The specific focus of the Ghana Gold Value Chain case study is on the artisanal and small-scale mining sector in Ghana, where stakeholders will collaborate to develop knowledge, refine BIOTRAILS tools, and propose scenarios for transformative change. The BIOTRAILS Ghana Gold Case Study project team organized the first Stakeholders Workshop on the 23rd of November 2023, 9:00 a.m. at the new college block of the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources KNUST. The first Stakeholders Workshop was aimed at collecting stakeholders' knowledge for co-identifying and co-analyzing the existing and potential biodiversity-related issues and to start a co-designing of biodiversity-relevant interventions. The meeting was attended by stakeholders from mining communities, Kunsu and Mansu Yao Krum, government agencies, forestry commissions, minerals commissions, EPA, PMMC, etc., district assemblies, Amansia West District Assembly, academia, KNUST, and civil society organization, Sling CA, Solidaridad, Trompembos, Ghana. The workshop was facilitated by Dr. Peggy Doka-Sumwa, who kickstarted the meeting by inviting stakeholders to introduce themselves.
Aside research, he has worked as a consultant in the conduct of environmental impact assessments. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Professor Benjamin Campion as the chairman for this workshop.
And attenders were Engineering Dr. Raffaele Giordano from Consiglio Nazionale di Ricerca, Italy. The coordinator for the BIOTRAILS project, Dr. Mohamed Amani, the Ghana Gold Case Study project lead, Mr. Charalampos Chakadakis from Arokopio University of Athens, Greece, and Ms. Mary Tono from Adelphi Research Terminovsky GmbH, Germany. Professor Benjamin Campio, the Dean of the Faculty of Renewable Natural Resources and the Chairman for the occasion, welcomed stakeholders, expressing gratitude for their commitment to the project.
How can we get better? You can only get better when you work with your stakeholders. And in this case, we are thinking about all the people around the world with whom maybe our things we do here affect.
Professor Raffaele Giordano gave an overview and shared the visions of the BIOTRAILS project.
Dialogue that we would like to establish with you and also among yourself is the core of our project. But then we have a very strong analytical set of tools we use to scope is to better understand the complexity of the different interaction between the value chains that we study, biodiversity losses, and climate change.
Dr. Mohamed Amani then presented on the Ghana Gold Case Study, highlighting its goals and transformative pathways for ASM. Dr. Amani also introduced the BIOTRAILS Learning and Action Alliances platform as a crucial component of the project, encouraging the stakeholders to actively engage in discussions on the platform.
Project we see the municipality say on a microphone or yes the kind of how I want to solve problems.
3 participatory activities were held during the event. The first one was led by Engineering Dr. Raffaele Giordano. Participants were grouped based on their roles in the value chains, mapping biodiversity losses, value chain impact, climate change impact, and societal dynamics. Mr. Charalampos Charakadakis led the second discussions. The third participatory activity was led by Ms. Mary Tono. Participants prioritized actionable steps linked to the identified problems within the gold value chain throughout the exercise. Tech TV News team interacted with organizers and some participants.
My name is Mohamed Amani. I'm the coordinator for the Ghana Gold Value Chain case study for the BIOTRAILS project. The BIOTRAILS project is essentially looking at the interface between small-scale mining, biodiversity and climate change. And one of the major components of the project is to, together with stakeholders, co-create knowledge and also to develop tools that we can use and implement to make sure that small-scale mining is done sustainably in Ghana.
My name is Eric Oforiajikum. I was a participant of this workshop. What I have learned is that the illegal mining causes a lot of impacts on the environment, and it results in a lot of social issues. And I have also learned that there are a lot of opportunities for improvements that we can do to ensure that mining is sustainable in Ghana. Thank you.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.